Hi guys, Ken Gamer 101 here. So before I start this video, I am a little sick, so that's just if I sound funny. It's an unboxing video, so let's get right to it. Lego. This package that I got is from Sarka Jordan. Look, you see that's like the postage or the stamp or whatever. It's in Arabic. If you don't know what Jordan is, it's a country in the Middle East. So I got this ring. It's in a Keek ring. A Keek ring. Let's open it. Like, look at it. The rock is like orange, reddish. It's real silver. It's not like painted silver. It's not fake silver. I got another one. This from Turkey. Like Turkey. Yeah, Turkey pretty much. It's not a Keek, it's a different one, but look, silver. I put tape on this one because it's size 11 and I don't want it like to fall off my hands. This one is size 11, so I have to put tape on it too. But look, you see, look how it looks. It looks pretty cool. It's like for good energy. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. It was just a quick video. Please like, subscribe. Also, subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Kevin Gamer 102. So like 101 but 102. Like that's the one I might cook on, and this one's just for like games and the motor vlogs. So yeah. Also, add me on Snapchat. I'm gonna put my Snapchat name on the bottom so you can see behind the scenes and other stuff. Yeah. Peace.